Have you ever considered the power and potential dangers of our sun? It's a question that might have crossed your mind as you slathered on sunscreen or shielded your eyes on a particularly bright day. But have you ever thought about the sun's ability to disrupt technology, to render our modern conveniences obsolete in a flash? It may sound like science fiction, but it's a very real scenario that humanity has faced before. This is the story of the Carrington Event. It was the year 1859. A time of horse-drawn carriages and gas lamps. The world was on the cusp of the Industrial Revolution, and technology was rapidly evolving. Yet, on the 28th day of August, something remarkable happened. Richard Carrington, an English astronomer, was busy sketching sunspots when he observed a gigantic solar flare. Little did Carrington know his observations were the precursor to a geomagnetic storm of epic proportions. Just a few hours later, on the morning of September 1st, telegraph systems across Europe and North America began to fail. Some telegraph operators reported receiving electric shocks from their equipment, while others found they could send messages even after disconnecting the power source. The night skies lit up with auroras, normally a spectacle restricted to the polar regions, were seen as far south as Cuba and Hawaii. People in the northeastern United States could read newspapers by the aurora's light. The world had witnessed the largest solar storm on record, an event that came to be known as the Carrington Event. But what exactly caused this phenomenon? The answer lies in the sun's activity. Solar flares, like the one Carrington observed, are sudden eruptions of energy from the sun's surface. These flares can release a coronal mass ejection, a burst of plasma, and magnetic field from the sun's corona. When these hit Earth's magnetic field, they can cause a geomagnetic storm, leading to disruptions in our planet's magnetic field. The Carrington Event was a perfect storm of sorts. A massive solar flare followed by a coronal mass ejection that hit Earth directly. The impact was powerful enough to affect Earth's magnetosphere, causing the widespread disruptions and stunning visuals witnessed by people around the globe. So to summarize, the Carrington Event was a massive solar storm that took place in 1859. It was triggered by a large solar flare observed by Richard Carrington and resulted in a powerful geomagnetic storm that disrupted telegraph systems and caused spectacular auroras to be seen far from the poles. It serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability to the forces of nature, even those originating 93 million miles away. This event underscores the importance of studying and understanding our sun and its potential impact on our planet. As our reliance on technology grows, so does our vulnerability to solar storms. The tale of the Carrington Event is not just a story from the past, but a warning for the future. A reminder that we are not just inhabitants of Earth, but citizens of a larger cosmic neighborhood, subject to its laws, its wonders, and its potential dangers. And that, dear listener, is a thought worth pondering.